Morning, Sydney. Oh boy. Sydney's eating yogurt for the first time all by herself. She's made quite the mess. Yeah, can you show me how you dip your spoon in there, Sid?
No, I just always
You checking it out?
Camera.
It's got little bits of peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
No.
Can you dip your spoon in? Can you dip your spoon in there?
No.
Got a little bit of bedhead there. Oh, there's the dip. Mmm, that looks good. Is that yummy? Dip it in.
No.
Here you go.
Bomb my teeth.
Oh, take a big bite.
Yes.
Dip and lick. Got it down, Sid.
Some more.
Some more? There's some right in front of you. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. Sydney's 16 months. She's a big girl. Can you dip it in one more time? Take a bite. Oh. Good girl. You're making such a mess. Okay, say bye.
No,